science! Yeah! There's some biology going on because the salmon run is there. There's something to do with science in this sort of general area somewhere. So here we've got some more science. It's also science. Science! This is not science.
Okay, welcome. Circuit symbols. These are the ones you have to know about in the exam. So we're going to quickly get that away. You can pause this at any point. You need to know all of those symbols because you might have to point one out in a circuit or draw one. In the lesson, you're going to have to build some circuits. So being able to look at a circuit diagram will be helpful. Here you've got a variable resistor. If you just set this circuit up, you would be able to use the voltmeter in parallel or across the component and the ammeter in line with the component, and that would allow you to measure the resistance of anything you had here. So in this case we've got a bulb, but you could put other objects in and you could work out the resistance of that object. So once you've got your voltage and current from your data, you could work out the resistance using this triangle and the equation V is equal to I times R. Now V is in volts, it's voltage, current is in amps, and resistance is in ohms. And here are your SI symbols, so volts V, amps is A, and this is ohms, the symbol for resistance. So you've got your terms in the equation, the actual names of those terms, and then their units. Okay, so in the lesson you're going to be looking at things called series circuits, parallel circuits, and you'll be gathering some data on some components from the list earlier and plotting VI graphs to work out the resistance of the components and how it changes. So you have to come prepared because you're being observed for how well you work independently and how well you've learnt something outside of the lesson before you do the lesson. So I'll see you then.